Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, April 12th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a trough hanging around the region as leading to some cloudy skies, especially around the I-95 corridor. More clear skies down towards southern New Jersey and up towards portions of the interior. This is leading to some variable winds that are starting to shift to the west around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s in your suburbs, and lower to mid 60s in your urban areas. Now, this trough is going to be hanging around throughout the day today, and it's going to be capable of sparking an isolated shower or two. But I wouldn't cancel any of your outdoor plans. If you're going to the Mets game or the Phillies game this afternoon, yes, there could be a passing shower, but overall, very light, very weak, not much in the way of any type of precipitation reaching the ground. And the reason why is what's happening here in the atmosphere. This is called a skew T diagram. This is from twisterdata.com, free website. So you can see with some of the ads here. Now you see this signature right here. This means that there is a lot of dry air in the atmosphere. So yes, there is some precipitation in the mid-levels of the atmosphere that's showing up on the radar. But once that precipitation gets down towards these drier layers, it basically evaporates. And so that's why we're not seeing much in the way of rainfall. We do see plenty of cloud cover, and that is again because of our trough. And we have a nice upper level low out here towards the Canadian Maritimes trying to drive this backdoor cold front through the region, but it's going to fail completely. So what happens then is that as this upper level low exits, the warm air surges, and boy, are we going to get some very warm conditions for this afternoon, more summer-like, with temperatures in the 70s and 80s. So certainly some very pleasant conditions are on the way for the rest of this week. But you see this feature down here? This is an upper level low. Well, it's going to fester around the Gulf Coast for the next couple of days and lift up towards the Tennessee River Valley by the time we get to Friday evening. On Saturday, it will lift through our neck of the woods, but as a much weaker version, but still producing a few pesky showers here and there, and then that'll be followed by a cold front. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Our trough lingers around the region, variable cloud cover, a few isolated showers. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s along the immediate coast, lower to mid 70s over the interior, and upper 70s to lower 80s on the I-95 corridor. For tonight into tomorrow, look for scattered cloud cover by tomorrow morning with low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, look for clear skies and scattered cloud cover, very warm conditions. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s over the interior, and upper 70s to mid 80s on the I-95 corridor in Delaware River Valley. For Friday, even better conditions will be in place. Clear skies, light winds. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s for lows. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast, upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley and I-95 corridor. Now, if we get enough mixing in the atmosphere, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a few upper 80s mixed in there around the Philadelphia metro. So it's certainly going to be a very warm and summer-like end to the week. And then the weekend hits and we get more unsettled weather. Now, this is going to be a weakening low-pressure system / trough with variable cloud cover and widely scattered showers. Not a washout, but a bit of a pest, that is for sure. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s away from the coast. On Sunday, a cold front will approach from the west. Now, we're going to continue on with pesky showers with this trough hanging around the region through the morning and into the afternoon hours. Not looking for any type of widespread rainfall, but a bit of a pest here and there with low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s and high temperatures, kind of a carbon copy of Saturday, with upper 60s to lower 70s on the coast and mid to upper 70s away from the coast. On Sunday night, around midnight, a cold front and developing low pressure system will be moving through the region producing periods of rain, heavy at times, and a few embedded thunderstorms. Doesn't look severe right now, but do watch out for some downburst wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Overall, though, I think the main story here will be the heavy rainfall that's going to be moving through around the midnight hour, Sunday night into Monday morning, clearing out by the morning hours on Monday with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-50s. In the afternoon, that cold front clears out with sky cloud cover hanging around the region. Look for high temperatures a bit cooler, lower to mid-60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. Now on Tuesday and Wednesday, a series of troughs will pass through the region, producing scattered broken cloud cover and a few isolated to widely scattered showers. Not a washout, but a bit more of a pest. Look for low temperatures through the period in the mid to upper 30s over the interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. So certainly after temperatures almost near 90 on Friday, we fall right back into a much cooler weather pattern by early next week with high temperatures in the 50s, 60s, and in the interior at higher elevations, even the 40s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.